Now this may surprise some of you, but I'm not actually standing outside on this beautiful beach. I'm actually here on campus inside of our distance learning studio standing in front of a green screen. Now, let's talk about the green screen effect and what it can do for you in your courses. The green screen effect is when you take a regular background of a video and replace it with any digital image or video imaginable. This is often called the weather effect because it's used in weather broadcasts. You can see now I can point out any area on the map. This can be very helpful in your classes because you can point out key areas on a graph or chart, key points in your PowerPoint, hamsters not so much here. It lets you connect with your students because you get your face in the video, but you can also step away from the green screen so your students can have a full view of your content. One last thing to remember is if you find yourself in front of a green screen, never wear green!